Hi guys, welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about insertion sort in data structures.
Hi guys, hope you are enjoying our videos and learning data structures in animated way. Now we are going to learn about insertion sort in data structures. Suppose this is an unsorted array and there are 5 elements in it. Step 1. Select the current element. The red square will denote our current element. So I started with 0th position and here the value is 77. Now compare the current element with the elements which are on the left hand side. But there are no elements in the left hand side of 77 since it is the first element. Now step 3. Simply increment the current element. So we moved on to the index 1. Now compare it with all elements in the left hand side. So 33 is less than 77. Because 33 is smaller than 77, we need to swap it. So after swapping, here it is. Now there is no element on the left hand side of 33, so we need to increment the current element. Now we moved on to index 2. You might get confused with this current element. What do you mean by that? Very simple. Current element means value at that index. Now first we started with index 0, then 1. Now it's index 2. Now our aim is to place the 44 at its position and compare it with all values on the left hand side. Now 44 is compared with 77, and as we know 44 is smaller than 77, we need to swap. After swapping, here it is. Now we need to compare 44 with 33 because we need to compare it with all elements on the left hand side. So 44 is compared with 33, and because 44 is greater than 33, we need not do anything. That means we need not swap. Now increment the current element. Now it becomes 3. Now the element at index 3 is 11. 11 is compared with 77 and 11 is smaller than 77, so we will swap. After swapping, here it is. Now 11 is compared with 44 and we know 11 is smaller than 44, then we need to swap. After swapping, here it is. Now we have one element towards the left hand side of 11, that is 33. So 11 is compared with 33 and 11 is smaller than 33, so swap. After swapping, here it is. Now there are nothing or no elements on the left hand side of 11, so increment current element. Now index 4. So compare it with 77 and 77 is less than 88, and we need not swap. So the elements are sorted now by using insertion sort. That's it. Hope you understood this concept. Please do subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.